position in the place. Similar to that, watch the video and learn. Here you can see the video, going to the elements and then gradient effects. You can type them and then add it. Here you see, go to the element section. I'm just typing gradient for now. Here are the different options, or you can select a specific one if you want. For that you need to know the specific names of the gradient that you would be using. Similarly, here you can watch the video and learn. Moving to the next slide, this is how to create layers with additional graphics. Here click on the play button, similar to that, and then continue with editing. You can watch the video here, search for the designs, and then do it. You can do it by yourself once you watch the video. Here you can see the results right here. Going to the next one, how to add text to inspire. Now you can add text as well. Here you can watch the video and do it. Simply here you can see the text option for easier one. Choose on any of the fonts you like or heading. You can click on any of them, edit to however you want, and make your design. Playground. Try layering your own photos and graphics. Here you can delete your unwanted elements as well. Here now you can try to layer your own photos and graphics and see how it looks. Once you have done that, now when you are ready to share your design, as we talked earlier, we have already discussed on this how to share your design. Simply click on the share button. You can either share it with people or share on social or just download for yourself. This is the link to the folder. For now we won't be doing that. After you share your file, you are done with that. That's it for remixing your designs. So let's get back to the home page. After learning the Canva basics and remixing our designs, let's see the graphic design basics. Being a graphic design website, here we can learn about different graphic design basics. Similar to the previous slides, here we watch the video and learn. So what we will be learning here is swatches and graphics, hex codes and text, color pickers and images, transparent elements and image filters. Similarly, learn and play like the previous slides. Going to the other slide, click to watch how to edit colors using swatches. Here you can click on the video. Now as they do it in the video, simply click on the certain section that you would like to edit the colors. Click on the section. Here you can see the different types of colors used in this image, used in this certain part. Now you can change the certain part to the different color. Let's say I will be changing this black portion into blue. Here, let me just click blue. You can see the change here. The black section has been turned into blue. Similarly, you can change the pink section into the other colors as you want. Let me change it to yellow.